Sometimes you're working with a scene partner and you just don't click, or you don't get along, or you feel intimidated, or they seem like they're afraid of you, or it's just not working and you don't know how to make it work. And probably along the line in that, there's a judgment, and that you're judging them. And even if they're judging you, so what? You're judging them. And you can't create a connection when you're judging another actor. Think about your friends. Think about getting together with people. And you know that if you judge your friend, you get a distant experience. You feel distanted by that. And when you release the judgment, you just go, gosh, they probably feel the way they feel or act the way they do because of their circumstances, and perhaps even they can't even control these things. Or, when we look at somebody or we experience somebody, we can experience their humanity, and then we don't judge them as much. We find that maybe there's a reason why they feel the way they feel, or maybe there's a reason why they act the way they act, or maybe there's a reason why they speak the way they speak. And so I can let go of that. There are extraordinary circumstances that can lead to people being at odds with us. And yet, if we are going into an office, or we're going to meet with someone in the business, or we're working on a scene with another actor, the most important thing is to think. And this is the key. You want to think this inside yourself when you're working with them. You can do no wrong. You can do no wrong. Everything you do in the scene, I accept as the character that I'm playing against. Everything you do in the scene, I accept. I listen and I accept. And I relate to you in character. Because my character might be judging the other actor, but not the actor. The character might be judging the other character, and that might be appropriate. But it's not appropriate for an actor to judge another actor, or an actor to judge another actor acting. You know what happens? I've seen actors, and two of them, and one's really advanced and one's very beginning, and they're working together, and the advanced actor might start judging the beginner. Like, damn it, they're not doing what I wanted them to do. And what happens? The beginner looks better because they're not judging. Judgment always makes an actor look not that great. It just makes them look in their head. It makes them look like they're self-conscious. It makes them look like they're outside of the scene. And there's a rule in acting. You can do pretty much anything as long as you don't break character. And when you start judging, that means you're judging it as an actor and not in character. So the most important thing is to know, how do I release this judgment? I let myself accept the person in front of me as whatever they did, or however they are, or whatever level they're at. That's okay. They can do no wrong. I can accept them. And down below, I'm going to give you other ways to release judgment of your fellow actor so that you start to allow yourself to be free and welcoming of any actor to play with. I've seen the most extraordinary work coming from an advanced actor and a beginning actor working together. And they both rise up, and it's raw and beautiful and amazing. I've seen advanced actors who are both judging themselves and not doing well. And I've seen beginning actors release all judgment and they just fly, and we go, wow, I want more of that. So it doesn't matter the level. When we judge, we lose our level. So it's really important to release judgment and accept the actor that's in front of you, because they're alive and they're there to play with you. Take the journey, and please subscribe. Hi, I'm Kimberly Jentzen. Thank you for watching.